trying to find that third ribbon. Once in sight, he is going to continue around the corner, diving back down to 5 feet and 220 miles an hour, passing over the top of that third ribbon, and now rolling skyward. Sean is going to set up to show you the world's smallest inside loop. We call this the alley-oop. Now in the recovery, we're watching to see Sean roll to the left and lower the nose, which he just did. That is our indication that he has made the determination that the show line is obstruction-free, and he feels that it is going to be safe to try to make one single attempt at slicing all 3 of those ribbons in 3 separate flight attitudes. So again, 1,700 feet above the ground at very low airspeed. Sean converts that altitude back into airspeed. 220 miles an hour, 18 feet above the runway. Sean is going to roll now into right knife edge flight through ribbon number 1. Then left knife edge flight through ribbon number 2 and inverted to thread that third. A maneuver performed by no one else in the world today. That is John D. Tucker's triple ribbon cut. Only Oracle offers hardware and software engineered to work together. Complete integrated systems from Oracle.